Weather, I think now's a good time for me to hand it over to the Today Show's Al Roker. Let's see if he can give us an idea of what kind of weather we can expect on the rest of the tour today.
Hi everybody, here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Thanks, Al. So here we are in Old Mexico. Uh-oh. Al seems to think there's going to be a flood, but that doesn't make sense. You need rain for a flood, right? It's not supposed to rain tonight. So this set, Old Mexico, is one of the very first sets that was ever built here on the Universal lot, and it's raining. That is some ironic timing. Still, though, this doesn't look like enough rain for a flood, right? So we'll just wait this out. We'll be on our way here in a few moments. This set was used in Westworld on HBO as well as Last Man on Earth on Fox. In fact, just recently, okay. That really doesn't sound like it's loading up, does it? It is hard for me to tell from up here, but cars 3 and 4, could you guys just scream for me really loud if you see anything coming? Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard that. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Well, at least we're safe here at cars 1 and 2, right, guys? Great Scott! That escalated quickly. But don't worry, folks. None of that was real. It was all fake. Even the water was fake. Oh, I know, it's real water. What we do is we shoot it into overhead sprinklers straight up into the air, let it fall back down to earth naturally with the technique we